custodian staff under the supervision of their principal, Mr. Peter Ortiga. Again, thank you very much. St. Michael's High School. And then we would like to request the protocol guys to please come up the stage. Kay mga bayo. Thank you very much mga pangga sa inyong participation. Kinagwantan nyo ang nag-iinig na init sa mga nagpapatabaga na sa hapon natin. Buwan ka lang ba ang mundo ng One Piece in all of your uniform? Welcoming the arrival of Rigo Papato. Amazing kids, come on. We are decorated with bright colors. We very much the warriors of Pagkakunsan atin na mga kisti na sa kanya Master Dominicates. Diyan na, makasunod sa warriors of Pagkakunsan High School, mga piyasa under the leadership of the Principal Miss Luz Divine Nieves. Thank you, ma'am, for your participation. Let us welcome Barangay Paspasan under the leadership of Honorable Romeo P. Candado of Barangay Campaign. Thank you for your participation. And of course, thank you very much sa ating mga katawan. Knowing sila po. Okay, yan. Parang ang dami mga Muslim, maliman, kung ay Paspasan Elementary School,
Governor Ezekiel Diaz.
Okay, yan ang barangay Balangpada, barangay normal, and barangay officials. Welcome and thank you for your participation.
First Congressman Paulo Bernardo S. Javier.
Under the supervision of